Hello friends, welcome to Gem Academy. Now what we are going to see is in Unit 4 Theory of Interest, that is how the interest is determined. This is in page number 36 friends. Here some introduction is given regarding rate of interest. Rate of interest is for payment for the risk involved in making the loan, payment for the trouble involved, pure interest. These are all the three factors affecting rate of interest. So after that, how we are determining the rate of interest? For this, three theories are given. First one is classical theory of rate of interest. Classical theory is propounded by Marshall and Fisher. And 2 points have given here. Demand of rate of interest is determined by equilibrium of demand and supply of savings, that is demand of savings and supply of savings. See here, classical theory of rate of interest is propounded by Marshall and Fisher. This is supply of savings and demand for savings. So supply of savings is nothing but ASB account, demand for savings or investment. This is loan account, is nothing but loan account. For our understanding, I am making the term ASB account and loan account. Supply of savings is nothing but ASB account and demand for savings is loan account. Next, come to this paragraph. For easy understanding, I have drawn this curve. Supply of savings, that is investment. First one, demand for savings, that is investment, and rate of interest. Investment is, if the rate of interest is 5%, then the investment will be 100. If the rate of interest is 10%, that is rate of interest increases here. For the loan customer, if the rate of interest increases, he may get little amount of loan. So that is the thing. If the rate of interest is 5%, then he gets 100 rupees. Then the rate of interest increases, then he gets only 50 rupees. The rate of interest further increases to 20%. Then he gets lesser amount than 50, that is only 10 rupees he is getting. So I am making it in a chart. Rate of interest is in y-axis and investment is in x-axis. Please remember friends, rate of interest is in y-axis. Here we are going to see some of the interest theories. In all the theories, the rate of interest will be in y-axis. So here the rate of interest, I am taking the rate of interest, and the investment I am taking it in the x-axis. So by this points I am drawing a curve which is like this. This is just like demand curve. This is the first curve. Then supply of savings. Supply of savings is nothing but savings. If the rate of interest increases, people will tend to save more money. This is a concept. For investment, if the rate of interest increases, the investment decreases. But here, if the rate of interest increases, savings also increases. Here, if the rate of interest increases, then the investment decreases. See? This is inversely proportional and this one is directly proportional. Rate of interest increases and so the savings also increases. Here I am making it in a curve like this. Then I am getting a curve like this, upward sloping. Then how we are determining the rate of interest is equilibrium of demand and supply of savings. That is equilibrium of demand of savings and supply of savings, this curve and this curve. equilibrium of this point determines the rate of interest. See, here I am making a curve. This is investment curve, this is savings curve. The intersection of this point determines the rate of interest. Intersection is the equilibrium rate of interest. Then next comes a criticism of this theory. Here what they are saying is supply of savings. If the rate of interest increases, then savings also increases. I am getting just 10,000 as my salary. So I can invest only 5,000 here. If I get 50,000 as my salary, that is income, then I can save up to 30,000. Up to 30,000 I can save. So income determines a important aspect here, important part here. But this theory is silent about the income of the person. Only they consider only the rate of interest. If the rate of interest increases, savings also increases. Only this concept they are saying, but they don't consider about the income. This is the criticism of this theory. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. The next video we will discuss about Keynes theory.